In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents in Stack. Whether you're new to Stack or just need a quick refresher on uploading documents, this guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step. So let's dive right in and make sure that by the end of this video, you'll be ready to upload your documents with confidence. First things first, you need to navigate to the Stack login page. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL to direct you straight to the Stack login. Once there, you'll find a couple of options to access your account. For the ease and seamlessness of use, we recommend utilizing the Login with Google option. It's quick, easy, and saves you from remembering another password. Just give it a click and you'll be redirected to sign in using your Google account. Once you've clicked on the Google login, you should see a list of email accounts associated with your device. Go ahead and select the one that you want to use for accessing Stack. If it's not listed, there's an option to add a new account, ensuring that you're logged into the correct workspace. This is an essential step because uploading documents to the wrong account could lead to unnecessary complications. After logging in, you'll land on a dashboard where you need to identify and click on your specific project. This step is crucial as it ensures that the documents you're about to upload are correctly linked to the right project. Depending on how your dashboard is configured, the projects can be named according to your previous settings or tasks, so make sure you choose accurately to prevent misplacement of documents. From the project page, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Home. This step guides you to your project's main interface where you can manage all tasks efficiently. Next, head over to Project Files. Here is where the magic happens. Project Files is the section dedicated to maintaining and organizing all your project files. Consider this invaluable for keeping everything neat and accessible. Look for the option that says Upload Plans and give that a click. You will be prompted to select the document you wish to upload from your device. An important tip here is to ensure that your document is named appropriately before uploading, which helps in managing and searching files in the future. After selecting your document, simply hit that upload button and give it a moment. Once the upload is complete, the final step is to click Done. This action acts as a confirmation that your document has been successfully uploaded and ensures that everything is saved correctly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to uploading documents in Stack. Keep practicing these steps and you'll become a pro at organizing your documents in no time. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.